Hello, class 12th student. How are you? Now, today we are learning the integrations and chapter 7, exercise 7.3. So, today we will start with the question number 1 of this exercise. This exercise is basically based on this trigonometry that we will use the trigonometric formula to get the answer. Find the integrals of the functions in exercises 1 to 22. I mean, all the questions we have to find out the integrals of the functions. So see the for is the first function given to you. Sin square 2x plus 5. We have to find out the integration of that question. Means I'm interested to find out the integration of this function with respect to x. See this sine function is there and this square is there. No direct formula is available of integration we know. We know the only the sin x function, integration of sin only. Sin square x we don't know. So I would like to convert this square function into a linear function like that. We know since we know sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. This trigonometric formula we know. So apply this formula here. This integration becomes what? 1 minus cos 2 times 2x plus 5 whole divided by 2, and we say this is the integration, we are doing the dx. Now simplify this one, it becomes 1 by 2 integration of dx minus 1 by 2 cos, this integration is also here, 2 into 2 4x and 2 into 5 10, 4x plus 10 dx. Now taking the integration. Now we know the formula. Integration of dx means x minus integration of this cos 4x plus 10 will be equal to sine 4x plus 10. Now you see in this variable this 4 is the coefficient of x, so we divide the this integration by 4 plus some constant c. If you simplify this part and this you can say, you may write down the answer in much better way, that it will be equal to what? Half x minus 2 into 4 8, 1 by 8 sine this 4x plus 10 not 0 sine 4x plus 10 plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question number 1. Now we do the question number 2. You see again, this is a function of two functions are there, sine 3x and cos 4x. We can solve this question by two methods in integrations are that. Either this trigonometry properties, or you can use by the integration by parts also. So let's say what here we are doing the one method, trigonometry methods are that. We want to find out the integration of that. Since sine 3x function multiplied by cos 4x, we don't know the integration direct formulas are there. So we have to convert into some of the trigonometric functions where I can apply the formula. So we know this formula since we know the formula 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b will be equal to sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Apply this formula here. What we are getting in the integrations. See, this is the 2 is there. We need the 1 by 2, but the first we write on the this one 1 by 2 into 2 times sine 3x cos 4x dx. Okay. Now we apply the formula, trigonometric formula here, 2 sine a cos b, and now you can say integration. And inside the bracket, what we are writing? Sine A means 3x. We are writing the here the 3x. B means 4x. 3x plus 4x plus sine A 3x minus 4x. And this bracket closed, and now we are doing the integration. Now, further we simplify this one, half, separate the terms, and also we take in the integrations are that half sine 3x plus 4x. You add these two terms, what you are getting? 7x sine 7x dx. We are separating the terms also, plus half integration. You say sine 3x minus 4x, this will comes out minus x sine minus x dx. Now, since we know sine functions are that, we are not solving this part. Half integration sine 7x dx equal to minus half sine x dx. Since we know sine of minus a equal to minus of sine a, we use this trigonometric formula here. In sine minus x becomes minus of sine x, and this is the integration, no doubt. Now taking the integration now, half sine 7x, we know this is become the cos with minus cos 7x upon constants. X constant is 7, so I divide by 7 minus half. The sin x becomes minus of cos x plus some constant c. Now simplify this one, minus 1 upon 14 cos 7x minus minus plus half cos x plus some constant c. And this is the answer of this question. Now, we want to do the question number 3. And how see this question number 3 is saying to you. Yeah. Here, 3 functions are there, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. And now we are doing the integration with respect to x. So in this question, say formulas, that 3 ones are there. So first we have to simplify this part. So we apply here, we make the cos A, cos B formula here. Here we will apply the formula cos A, cos B, cos A, cos B, twice of cos A, cos B equal to, you know, cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. We will apply this formula. See, this formula is applied in 2 functions only. So first we apply in the formula in the cos 2x and cos 4x. First we will simplify the functions and then we will do the integrations. Okay, the function is cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x. So I will apply the formula in this first 2 part. First this one, cos A cos B formula, 2 cos A cos B. So it becomes what? Half cos A minus B, cos A minus B means 2x minus 4x plus cos A plus B means cos A plus B means 2x plus 4x, close, bracket closed. And now we have multiplied by cos 6x. So this becomes half, if we simplify this one correctly, cos 2x minus cos 4x becomes cos minus 2x plus cos 6x, and this become the cos 6x. Now, I would like to again further simplify this one. So you will know that here cos minus 2a, since what I say that here, since we say cos minus a equal to cos a. So cos minus a equal to minus cos a, so this becomes what? I say separate this one and open the bracket also. Half, not open the bracket, we maintain the half better. Cos 2x cos 6x plus cos square 6x. Okay. Now again, half taken outside. You see, apply here the formula again. This becomes we see better. I will separate out. But anyway, we write down here the 1 by 2 this function curly braces cos a cos b cos 2x minus 6x plus cos 2x plus 6x curly braces close, and this cos square a. Since we know this formula, uh, cos square a can be written as 1 plus cos 2a by 2. We apply this formula here, plus 1 by 2 curly braces 1 plus cos 12x by 2 bracket closed. Okay, fine. Now we open this one better separately. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it becomes, you can see, 1 by 4. And the first part, cos of minus 4x plus cos of 8x to 4 is taken outside, we taken this one. And okay, we are taking already half already. So basically, you have closes this one here, right? All right. So we are taking 1 by 4 common, cos plus 1 plus cos 12x. So now we can take the integration. Separately, we can take the integration of the parts. Every parts, each parts are there. So you will say that here this becomes 1 by 4 integration of cos 4x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos 8x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos 12x dx. So we solve this one, you are getting cos 4x, 1 by 4, and cos 4x means sine 4x upon 4 plus 1 by 4 into cos 8x means sine 8x, coefficient of x is 8, so 8 plus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 cos, not sine 12x upon 12 plus some constant c. So this is the answer, or a better way we write down the answer: 1 by 16 sine 4x plus 1 by 32 sine 8x plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 12 4 ja 48, 48 sine 4x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question. So back on the upper side, question 3 we have done. Now we want to do the question number 4. Sine cube 2x plus 1. We don't have any formula for this one. For integrations are there, direct integrations. So we know the sine cube base formulas are there. We use the trigonometry only to solve this question. So since we know this formula, sine 3a, you know this formula, sine 3a equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Implies that what? That 4 sine cube a, or you can say sine cube a, better. The sine cube a will be equal to 3 sine a minus sine 3a divided by 4. So apply this formula in this equation. Formulas are there. Integration what we have, sine cube 2x plus 1 dx will be equal to what? Integration in bracket start. We have 3 sine a minus sine 3a upon 4 dx. Simplify this one. We are getting the two integration. One is 3 by 4, not the sine a sine x. This is basically not a. It is better. I will write down the again. Three sine. See, the value of a is here 2x plus 1. Put this value. Sine a 2x plus 1 minus sine 3a, sine 3 times 2x plus 1 means 3 into 2, 6x plus 3 divided by 4, and this is equal to dx. Now, separate the terms. If we separate the terms, and after that we will solve it. You see, I would like to separate the terms. This is 3 by 4 taken outside. Integration sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 by 4 integration sine 6x plus 3 dx. Now it is in simple form. Now we have a direct formula now. 3 by 4, this will say, minus of cos 2x plus 1. And you see what is the coefficient here of x, 2 divided by 2 minus 1 by 4. Again, this is a minus cos 6x plus 3. And see, the coefficient of x is 6, so it is 6 here, plus some constant c. Now 3 by 8 with minus sign, minus 3 by 8 cos 2x plus 1. You see minus minus plus 4 into 6, 24, 1 by 24 cos 6x plus 3 plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question. Now we do the question number 4. 4 we have done already, no doubt. Question number 5. Sine cube x cos square x dx. You see the power of cube is there, or is a numbers, the cubes are there, easy number. All right. So in this questions, sine cube x, cos cube x, dx are there. I will replace the one part into the another, because we take the sine square x can be written as this way. Since sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So we convert the whole function into the cos. So we say that here sine this integration sine cube x cos cube x dx can be written as, I take the sine cube x integration, uh, sine x into sine square x cos cube x dx. So this sine square x I can write down here better way in cos terms, sine x into 1 minus cos square x cos cube x dx. Now put here cos x equal to t. If we put the cos x equal to t, we are getting minus sin x dx equal to dt. So this integration becomes what? Integration, you see this 1 minus cos square x, so 1 minus t square, and cos cube x cos x t, so this becomes the t cube. And you see this sin x dx, sin x dx becomes, you see, minus of dt, with the minus of dt. So this integration becomes, I will simplify it, the minus sign outside, or conjugate the minus here. So it becomes t square minus 1 t cube dt. Simplify this one, you are getting t raised to power 5 dt minus t raised to cube dt. If you take in the integrations, you are getting t raised to 6 upon 6 minus t raised to 4 upon 4 plus some constant c. Now we put the value of t. The value of t is, you see in this question, we have making this cos x equal to t. So put the value of t here to get the answer. So just I'm showing you, if we put the value of t here, we will get the answer. So answer comes out, put the value of t here, cos x power 6 upon 6 minus cos x power 4 upon 4 plus some constant c. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will do the another question, question number 6. Say the question number 6 is a similar line, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Like question number 3 is there. The similar questions are that. Okay, let me see how we can solve this question. We want to do the integrations. We say again sin A, sin B. 2 sin A, sin B. 2 sin A, sin B will be equal to, cos of A minus B minus cos of a plus b. So apply your formula. Let's we simplify this one, and then we do the integration. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Okay. So first we apply the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b in this one. So we are getting here half into, now the value comes out, cos x minus 2x minus cos x plus 2x, and this is multiplied by sin 3x. This becomes what? Half x minus 2x, you know, cos minus x minus cos 3x multiplied by sin 3x. Now, I would like to simplify this further again. Open the bracket, half cos minus x becomes, you know, cos x, you know very well. This becomes cos x, and sin 3x is there, sin multiplied by sin 3x. Open the bracket, minus half cos 3x sin 3x. In this first part, you see this one cos a sin b, this sin a cos b formulas are there. This part, we apply this formula since we know cos 2 cos a sin b equal to what? 2 cos a sin b, cos, not cos, this comes out sin. The formula is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. We apply this formula here, and since also we know sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. This formula we will apply it here. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a in this formula. So now integrand becomes what? So now the integrand becomes, you can say, half into, again half, bracket start, sin a plus b sin x plus 3x minus sin x minus 3x, bracket closed. Now we have again a 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, we have sin 6x. Now we want to do the further simplification. It becomes 1 by 4, you say sin 4x, you, you say minus 1 by 4 sin minus 2x minus 1 by 4 sin 6x. Okay. Right. Now, we know that since we know sin minus a equal to minus sin a. So we apply here this formula here. We are getting 1 by 4 sin 4x minus plus 1 by 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4 sin 6x. Now taking integration, this is the integrand. Now the integrand becomes this one. So the quotient of integrations becomes now this one, taking integration 1 by 4 integration of sine 4x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of sine 2x dx minus 1 by 4 integration of sine 6x dx. Now, taking the integration, if we take the integration here, this becomes 1 by 4 that formula, cos, we say minus cos 4x upon 4 plus 1 by 4, we know the formula, minus cos 2x upon 2 minus 1 by 4, we take here minus cos 6x upon 6 plus some constant c. So now here comes out minus 1 by 16 cos 4x plus, not plus, minus 1 by 8 cos 2x minus plus 6 into 4, 24 cos 6x plus c. And this will be the answer of this question. So you see that here we use the trigonometry. Too much trigonometries are used in integrations to solve the question. Question number 7. Sin A, sin B. These formulas are that. Simple formula. Either we can use the integration by parts or we can use by the trigonometric function. Since we know sin A, sin B, 2 times sin A, sin B equal to, no, formula is what? 2 sin A, sin B means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this integration becomes what? 1 by 2 first, 1 by 2, 2 times sine 4x sine 8x dx. Okay, now you apply the formula here, trigonometric formula. It becomes cos 4x minus 8x minus cos 4x plus 8x, and bracket closed. We are taking the integration. Half, simplify this one because we need simplification one more. Cos minus 4x minus cos 12x and dx. Since now you know cos of minus a equal to cos. Since cos function, the this minus sign will comes out, it will be disappear. So we separate the terms and find out the integration. It becomes half cos minus 4x becomes, you can say minus 4, cos minus 4x becomes the cos 4x. So integration of cos 4x dx minus half integration of cos 12x dx. Now this is a simple formula. Now we know the formulas of directly, so apply the formula. Half cos 4x is, you know, sine 4x upon 4 minus half, you see this one, sine 12x upon 12 plus some constant c. This becomes 1 by 8 sine 4x minus 1 by 24 sine 12x plus some constant c. So this is the answer of this question. Now, we will do this question number 8. Integration of this question. We are interested to find out the integration of this question as we are doing integrations here. So 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. Since we know the formulas very well, 2 sine square a equal to, we know, 1 minus cos 2a, and 2 cos square a, we know the formula 1 minus 1 plus cos 2a. So these two formulas we know, we can use the formula here. So what the integration becomes? This integration becomes integration 2 sine square x by 2, because you see this 2a equal to x. So a equal to what? X by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x, or 1 plus cos 2a. This 2a is a x basically, so a becomes x by 2. 2 times cos square x by 2 dx. Say 2 cancel out, and now we have a sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 whole square. You see here, because the power of both the functions are same in numerator and denominator. So we say this becomes whole square dx, and you can say this becomes what? Tan square x by 2 dx. Now we don't know the formula for tan square, but we know the formula of sec square. So again we use the another trigonometric function here. You know very well that tan square a equal to sec square a minus 1. So we apply this trigonometric formula here. So the integration becomes what? If we apply this formula, so this integration becomes sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Separate the terms. You are getting integration sec square x by 2 dx minus integration of dx. Now, we know this is a formula. This is a formula of, this is direct formula of tan x. We are getting the value of tan x by 2. But you see, the x is a coefficient 1 by 2. So it is divided by 1 by 2 minus x plus some constant c. Say 1 by 2 is there, 2 is there, taking the 2 upper side, 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus some constant c. So this is the answer of this question. Now, the next question we say question number 9. Is we are again doing the integrations of that. Cos x upon, in the denominator we have a 1 plus cos x. Say we don't have any formula for this one, 1 plus cos x are there in consult. So 1 plus cos x, since we know the formula, 1 plus cos x are there, 2 cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So cos 2a coming here. Also we know the same formula in the another way, that you can say cos 2a equal to 2 times cos square a minus 1. So we apply these two formula here. So what we are getting basically, cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2, because x equal to 2a. So a equal to x by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. You see x is equal to 2a. So 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Separate the terms. If we separate the terms, what we are getting? You see 2 cancel out. This becomes only 1 dx minus 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This becomes what? You see integration of dx minus half taken outside, taking the reciprocal, cos x is a sec 1 sec square x by 2 dx. And now we know the formula of the integration. What is the formula for the integration of this part? Will be dx has the integration x minus half. This is a formula of 10 x by 2, and the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, so it is divided by 1 by 2 plus some constant c. All right, and this you see this 2 and this 2 are cancel out with each other, so the answer will comes out x minus 10 x by 2 plus some constant c. Now, after this question number 9, we want to do this question number 10. Sine power raised to 4, and we have to want to find out the integration. See, no formula is here for this power dx. So I can write down here, since we know this formula, that 2 sine square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a. So I can write down this function sine square x whole square dx. That can be written as integration 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Simplify this one. If you simplify this one, you are getting 1 by 4 2 square integration outside, and inside the bracket we are getting 1 square 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 times cos 2x and dx. Now, here some parts are good one that we can find out the integration directly, but some parts we are not be able. So the parts we can find out 1 by 4 integration of dx, no problem, plus 1 by 4 integration of cos square 2x dx minus you can see 2 by 4 comes out, so it will comes out 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos integration of cos 2x dx. See again, cos square 2x is given to you. We know the formula. Since we know this formula for this one, we need use this formula cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So what we are getting 1 by 4 integration dx plus 1 by 4. Here we again apply the formula. So what we are getting here inside 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx minus half integration cos 2x dx. So again we say 1 by 4 integration of dx plus we take the 1 by 8 integration of dx plus 1 by 8 integration of cos 4x dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx. Now, we take the integration or combining these two terms, first two terms are there because they are the same terms, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. If you add this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, okay, later on we can add out. Integration we are taking here, x y4 plus 1 by 8 x plus 1 by 8 cos, not cos, sine 1 by 8 sine 4x upon 4 minus 1 by 2 sine 2x upon 2 plus some constant c. You see the first two terms will be added. These two terms are added. So we add this one between the 8 LCM. We are getting the 3x by 8. 3x by 8 plus 1 by 32, 8 into 4, 32 sine 4x minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus some constant c. So this will be the answer of this question. Now I will do the next question. Question number 11. See here, now we have a power of cos, 4 power of cos. Similar type of questions are there, and similar formulas we will use here. Like question number 10 we did. Same, since you know very well, cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. We use this formula here. So let's say what the formulas are there. First, the integration, this integration becomes what? Cos square 2x into cos, okay, not cos square 2x, whole square. We write down here, this is whole square dx. Apply the formula here. Inside, integration 1 plus cos, you see 2x equal to here cos square 2x, 2x equal to a. So you see this one 2x equal to a, so 2a become 4x. This becomes the cos 4x divided by 2 whole square dx. So this whole squares are there. So 2 square means 4. We are taking the 4 in the outside, 1 by 4. And say we are doing the bracket in start. 1 square means 1 plus cos square 4x plus cos square 4x plus 2 times 1 into cos 4x plus 2 times cos 4x. Bracket close dx. Okay. If you open all the integration separately, so you are getting 1 by 4 integration of dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos square 4x plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x dx. Now, again, we have to simplify the second term. Because we are getting the square terms are there, I have to simplify this term. If I want to simplify these terms, basically, again we use the formula cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So we are getting 1 by 4 integration of dx plus, we say here, 1 by 4 integration, put the value here, 1 plus cos 8x by 2 dx plus half integration cos 4x dx. You see 1 by 4 dx plus 1 by 8 integration of dx plus 1 by 8 integration of cos 8x dx plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x dx. Now take the integration. You see 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 8 x plus 1 by 8 cos 8x will be sine 8x divided by 8. So this is basically multiplied plus 1 by 2 we have sine 4x upon 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, these two terms will be combined. So it will give you 3 by 8 x plus 8 into 8, 64. Here plus some constant c also here. Sine 8x plus 1 by 8 sine 4x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question. Now, I would like to do the another question. Okay, after 11th, we want to do this question number 12. Sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. See, this question is much easier than it seems to be. So we want to integrate, simplify this integrand basically. Since we know sin square sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, we apply this formula 1. And second, we also use this formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b in this question. So see, this question becomes what? Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Okay, this complete is a factor. Taking the upper side a square minus b square, it becomes, you can say 1 minus cos x multiplied by 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x will be cancelled out, and the addition becomes what here? 1 minus cos x dx. Now, open this integrations. What we see? Integration of dx minus integration of cos x dx. Take the integration. This comes out x. Cos x means minus sin x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question. Now, we want to do this question number 13. See, this cos 2x is given to you. We can use the formula here. Integration of dx we want to do. I can use the formula. Same formulas are there. Cos 2a equal to 2 times cos square a minus 1. Applying this formula here, we are getting here 2 times cos square 2 x minus 1. Minus sign is there, minus 2 cos square alpha plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Say 1 this minus 1 and this plus 1, this minus 1 and this plus 1 will be cancel out. Okay. So now I'm taking the 2 common outside. We are getting here cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Again, we apply here the formula a square minus b square. Since you know the formula, a square minus b square equal to what? A minus b and a plus b. We apply this formula here. So we are getting here 2 times integration cos x plus cos alpha multiplied by cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha whole multiplied by dx. And okay, fine. Now you see in these two terms, the denominator terms will be cancelled out. This denominator terms will be cancelled out, so it becomes what? 2 times integration of only these terms cos x minus cos x. This will be cancelled out. So now we have only cos x plus cos alpha dx. This we do the integration separately. 2 times cos x dx plus cos alpha is a constant because alpha is a constant. So nothing variable x is there. 2 cos alpha constant taken outside. Integration of dx. So integration now we do 2 sin x plus 2 cos alpha into x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question. Now we do the next questions. Question number 14. In this question number 14, you see cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x, and we want to do the integration. So sin 2x is downside is given to you. 1 plus sin 2x will be given to you. Can be converted in the form of cos x plus sin x. Let's say how. We know since we know sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, and sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. All right. So what I say, 1 plus sin 2x, 1 plus sin 2x can be written as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 times sin x cos x. This is nothing. This is a formula of, since you know formulas, one more formula. A square, a plus b whole square will be equal to, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you see here, this is sin x, a square, b square plus 2ab. So this is sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 times sin x cos x. So we know that here this 1 plus sin 2x can be written as sin x plus cos x whole square, or you can say cos x plus sin x whole square. So I want to say this integration becomes what? Write down the integration first. This is cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx can be written as cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sine 2x dx. So in this question, now not the 1 plus sine x concepts are there. We write on the value. Just we find out cos x minus sin x, and this one equal to what? Cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Now we use the substitution method to solve further. Say denominators are there and this power is when the denominators are there. So we take the put cos x plus sin x equal to t. What we are getting? Minus sin x plus cos x dx equal to dt. So this integration becomes what? If you put this limit. Cos x in denominator you see first. Cos x plus sin x, we take the t square. This is t square. In the numerator, cos x minus sin x multiplied by dx will be dt. So simplify this one. You are getting t raised to minus 2 dt. And taking the addition, you are getting t raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus some constant c. And you can say it is minus 1 upon t plus some constant c. Put the value of t and you are getting the answer. The value of t is minus 1 upon, you see cos x plus sin x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question, number 14. Now, we want to do this question number 15. 10 cube 2x sec 2x. Integration of this part. See, this 10 cube 2x is given to you. We don't have here the term sec square 2x basically. So it's not, we convert the function, 10 function and sec function in terms of cos and sine. So it becomes sine cube 2x upon cos cube 2x, and sec 2x is also broken, cos 2x dx. This can be written as sine cube 2x divided by cos power 4 2x dx. I write down here the formula. I can write down this equation this way also. Sine square 2x into sine 2x dx upon cos power 4 2x. Put cos 2x equal to t. So what we are getting? Minus sine 2x into 2 dx equal to dt. So this integration becomes what? If we put in the limit, this becomes t raised to 4, and the numerators, sine square x 2x means 1 minus t square, 1 minus, you write down here the 1 minus cos square 2x first, then we sine 2x dx equal to, say, dt upon minus 2, dt upon minus 2. So now you put the value, minus 2 taken outside, minus 1 by 2 outside. We have 1 minus t square upon t to the power 4 dt. Now, I just like to simplify this one. So this becomes separate renditions minus half 1 upon t raised to 4 dt plus 1 by 2 addition of 1 upon t square dt. So it becomes minus 1 by 2 addition of t raised to minus 4 dt plus half addition of t raised to minus 2 dt. If you solve this one, minus half t raised to minus 4 means t raised to minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus 1 by 2 t raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus some constant c. So now you take the multiplications of this question. In the first part, you see this minus sign is multiplied with the minus sign, cancel out plus sign, 2 into 3 sets, 1 by sets, and taking t downside, t cube. Minus plus becomes minus sign, 1 by 2 t plus some constant c. Now put the value of t, t equal to what? Cos x, what we are assuming here in this question. We say t equal to cos 2x, not cos x. Cos 2x is the t. So we put the value of t cos 2x in the question. It becomes 1 by 6 into 1 upon cos cube 2x minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus some constant c. Now, see the questions is given the sec functions are that. So we have converted into cos into sec. Cos. Now we convert back into sec. So take the reciprocal. So it becomes 1 by 6 sec square to sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2 sec 2x plus some constant c. This is the answer of this question number 15. So I hope you enjoy a lot. Now we are stopping here. The next remaining question of part will be in the second part of this exercise.